Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm back working on the 71 C10 today. I'm just building a super simple, quick cab stand because I'm gonna want to paint it in the booth just like this, so it'll tip it on its back, and just for moving it around. So just got some old pipe, and I'll probably just weld a bar across here now, and then that way I can put the forks in and lift it up and move it around. My last one I built like this, it was adjustable, but for this one it should be fine. I might just put it on some pallets when I paint it or whatever, just to lift it up a little bit, but should work pretty good. See, all I did was just weld the nut on the end, plasma cut a little bit of hole so I put the bolt up there, so you can bolt it nice and secure. It's just better than hauling it around on pallets, right? So, but should work. So I got to finish up here, put some another bar so I can lift it up with the Bobcat forks. And I mean, it's nothing too pretty, but it should work. It's pretty stable too. Should move, so I'll just go get the Bobcat and I can pick it up, move it out. Might be, well, to paint I'm gonna want a little bit higher, but should be able to put pallets underneath here, lift it up a little bit. But should do the trick anyways. Here it is picked up. Actually works pretty good. I thought it'd be a little more tippy, but shouldn't go anywhere. And it's bolted down, so should do the trick. Thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. We're gonna start working on some body work and get this cab painted.